Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy F14. And to do this we'll need to open any app or web page that allows us to scroll down. Now go to the top of the page and make the combination of power key and volume down key at the same time to make a screenshot. Then select the scroll button and click it each time until you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot. I'm gonna go to the bottom of the page. Now click on the screenshot, open it with gallery, and right here we can see the full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.